Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. I'm your host Jasnoor Kaur and let's get into the headlines. Cryptocurrencies slip back in the red. Bitcoin stays above $28,500. Starkware founders raise $100 million. Value startup at $8 billion. Tether's USDT stablecoin launches on Polygon. SEC rejects One River proposal for carbon-neutral Bitcoin ETF. ETH creator Vitalik Buterin says algorithmic stablecoins shouldn't be dismissed. Elon Musk tweets on using Dogecoin to buy SpaceX merch. Doge jumps. 7 wallets may have caused Terra meltdown, says Nansen report. Thailand excludes crypto transfers from VAT payments until 2024. NBA Top Shot collection to feature Magic Johnson NFTs. Cryptocurrencies slipped back into the red, breaking its correlation with the stock market movements as investors continued to remain selective on owning speculative assets. In overnight trades, the S&P 500 rose 2.5%, helping the measure to wipe out its May losses and posting its biggest weekly gain since November 2020. The tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 rose 3.3%, while the traditional Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 1.8%. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at around $28,800, down over 0.6% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was seen trading at around $1,700, down over 1% in a similar time span. Fresh off the heels of a $50 million funding in November, Starkware Industries, an Israeli startup, raised another $100 million from a latest funding round at a valuation of $8 billion. The fundraise was led by Green Oaks Capital and Cotio and included Tiger Global amongst others. Despite market bearishness, Starkware's recent fundraise shows that investors are optimistic enabled by Starkware's scaling technology and are eager to continue financing the developer. Starkware's 2 products, StarkX and StarkNet, are both Ethereum scaling solutions, with the former providing scaling as a service and the latter requiring no permission. Tether has expanded its crypto market reach by launching its USDT stablecoin on Polygon, making it the 11th blockchain. Tether claims that the launch of USDT on Polygon will help the ecosystem of the blockchain network. Polygon now hosts over 19,000 dApps. According to Tether, their users can now use USDT to move money in and out of the ecosystem and generate yield. Tether said it plans to expand the use of USDT to other blockchains. Recently, as part of its push into Latin America, the company introduced a Mexican peso-pegged stablecoin earlier this week. The Securities and Exchange Commission has rejected a proposal for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund that includes the purchase of carbon credits to make it carbon neutral. According to public records, a revised prospectus was filed in September. The One River Carbon Neutral Bitcoin Trust was proposed in May. The SEC on Thursday, while rejecting the proposal, said that the proposed rule change for listing on the NYSE Arca exchange has not met its burden under the Exchange Act and the Commission's rules. Apparently, SEC is using the same reasoning that it used to reject a number of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin says algorithmic stablecoins shouldn't be dismissed. In a new blog post on the future of automated stablecoins after the collapse of Terra USD earlier this month, Buterin stresses the need for balance while evaluating the merits and risks within the world of decentralized finance. Buterin argues that cryptos should avoid trying to mimic the fiat currency model of relying on perpetual growth, as well as highlighting the need to test a project's strength in both stable and volatile conditions. Billionaire Musk on Friday tweeted that Dogecoin could be used to purchase SpaceX, his space exploration startup, merchandise soon, just as it can be for Tesla merchandise. Dogecoin jumped over 10% after the announcement. When asked whether subscriptions for Starlink, a satellite-based broadband internet system, might be payable in Doge, he responded, "Maybe one day." The Tesla CEO has wielded strong influence over Dogecoin's price since early last year. Dogecoin was recently seen trading at around $0.0823, up over 6% in the past 24 hours. A report from blockchain analytics firm Nansen claims that 7 wallets likely triggered the USD peg. This arose as 7 main wallets withdrew USD funds from Anchor Protocol on Terra on May 7th, bridged these funds from Terra to Ethereum via wormhole, and swapped USD for USDC in Curve's liquidity pools. The relative lack of liquidity in the pool securing USD to other stablecoins then triggered the depegging process. On-chain data also suggests the 7 wallets exploited arbitraging inefficiencies between Curve, decentralized exchanges, and centralized exchanges, especially Binance, as USD started losing its peg. The report comes 3 weeks after the Terra stablecoin lost its peg, sending the Luna token's price from $77 to $0.00014 and wiping out more than $43 billion from the crypto market. However, the Nansen report fails to confirm or deny whether the destabilization of USD had been coordinated off-chain. The analysis also restricts itself to Terra and Ethereum and does not take into account outflows towards other chains such as Solana or BNB chain. The Thailand government issued a royal judgment that includes a provision exempting crypto transfers from value-added tax or VAT payments until December 31, 2023. Based on the new ruling, crypto and digital asset transfers on regulated exchanges will not require 7% VAT payments until the start of 2024. This new ruling is in addition to a previous waiver on VAT charged on crypto and digital asset transactions that was enacted in March. However, the exemption will also expire at the end of 2023. The Thai government also postponed plans to impose a 15% capital gains tax, allowing traders to balance yearly losses from crypto investments with unrealized profits. Basketball legend Earvin "Magic" Johnson will have his own first-of-its-kind NFT series as a part of NBA Top Shot collection. The collection will be released on June 7th. The collection is named the Anthology Magic Johnson. It will celebrate the illustrious career of the Hall of Famer. This series would feature some of the most special and iconic moments from his playing career in Los Angeles Lakers. A total of 1,600 anthology packs would be released, costing $399 each. Each pack will have one of 4 Magic Johnson moments from seasons in which the Los Angeles Lakers won the NBA championship. That's all for today's news. I'm your news host Jasnoor Kaur signing off, and keep watching Crypto TV, world's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel.